let's go up to the weekly charts on that. Okay, and you can see, that this for most part of this year that has been really a very strong bear trend, isn't it? And you hear me say this week after week, okay, when your job is to find out if there is a trend, and if there is a trend, you want to be able to sort of ride it. You want to be like a surfer riding it, okay. That's ideally what we looking for. And as I say, good trends leap off the chart at you. You shouldn't force them, but equally you shouldn't chase them. Okay, you shouldn't particularly look to fight them. Okay, when we're in a good trend, you're just looking for a way to consider them as a bit of a wave, and you're looking to surf them as long as you possibly could. The interesting thing about dollar index, and we can see it already, is kind of like breaking down there towards its lows. Just bear with me a second. Let's just put this onto daily and see what the score is here. Da, da, da. Excellent. So, daily chart. I talked about us being in a bit of a range there, okay, from like 98.50 to 100. Just looking at that and hoping that we'd see some clarity from that, but we haven't really. We had the low of a couple of months ago. Apologies once again on that drum, but hopefully you get the gist. Price pushed it, okay, and then we pushed up away from it, and then we had the ceasefire at the weekend. And actually, as people start to understand, well, that really accelerated the dollar and the dollar index even further lower in terms of actually how they look at it. That dollar, the dollar index is most definitely in a bear market. And I just say, don't fight it. Okay, if you're in a bear market, don't look to fight it. Okay, that's not the it's not the smartest move. Okay.